Like many other dog breeds, German Shepherds are renowned for their tight relationships with their human families and their capacity to create strong bonds with their owners. Even though every dog is different and could have unique preferences and personalities, there are a few things that can affect a German Shepherd's decision regarding a favorite person. In this video, we will talk about how German Shepherds choose their favorite person. And by the end of this video, you should know how to become your German Shepherd's favorite person. Let's get started. Number 1. Quality time and attention. Spending quality time with and giving attention to someone is one of the most important ways a German Shepherd can decide who their favorite person is. Dogs are social creatures that benefit greatly from affection and human contact. German Shepherds may develop a greater attachment to a person who spends a lot of time with them and provides them with ongoing care and attention. This could be a primary caregiver or a family member who routinely walks, plays, and does other things with them. This regular interaction forges a strong bond in the dog's mind and might help to cement the relationship between the person and the dog. Additionally, because that person tends to the dog's everyday requirements, the dog will recognize and trust them more. Number 2. Training and socialization. Training and socialization play a significant role in how German Shepherds select their favorite person. A German Shepherd that has received proper training and socialization is more likely to feel secure and at ease around other individuals, which can make them more receptive and affectionate to a larger range of people. This is so because dogs learn to trust their handlers and know that they will keep them secure and comfortable during training. Additionally, socialization teaches them how to connect positively with various people and animals. A German Shepherd who has had proper training and socialization will be more adaptive to new people and settings, increasing their likelihood of developing strong bonds with other individuals. Additionally, socialization and training can assist German Shepherds in overcoming anxiety and insecurity, which can be obstacles to developing close relationships with people. For instance, a dog who feels uneasy around strangers or strange individuals may be less likely to develop a bond with a new person. However, the dog can learn to feel more at ease and confident in these circumstances through training and socialization, which may present opportunities for developing bonds with new individuals. In general, a German Shepherd's ability to select a favorite person can be greatly influenced by their training and socialization. With a larger range of people, it can assist the dog develop their trust and comfort, which can result in stronger, longer-lasting bonds. Number 3. Consistency. Another essential factor that can affect a German Shepherd's decision on a favorite person is consistency. Dogs enjoy stability and routine, and they may select their favorite person depending on their interactions and activities with that person. For instance, a German Shepherd might bond more closely with someone who is in charge of their daily care, such as feeding and watering them. The dog may come to regard this person as their favorite because they relate them to the reliability of having their needs handled on a daily basis. A dog may develop a stronger bond with a particular human if they share a regular schedule of walks, playing, and training sessions because they have developed a feeling of predictability. The dog experiences comfort and security as a result, which deepens their attachment with that human. Number 4. Sense of smell and pheromones. A German Shepherd can also select their favorite person by using their sense of smell and pheromones. Dogs' keen sense of smell can be very important in their social interactions and emotional connections. They might develop a preference for someone who smells better or is more recognizable to them. An individual who wears a particular scent that the dog finds comforting or familiar, such as a certain cologne or perfume, or even the scent of their laundry detergent, for instance, may have a greater bond with their dog. Dogs might also be more drawn to a person who shares their owner's pheromones and body chemistry. The dog is drawn to this instinctively rather than making a deliberate choice. With the person they are attracted to, this type of attraction can help forge stronger bonds. Number 5. Shared activities. German Shepherds may also choose their favorite person through shared activities. Positive memories and strong emotional bonds can be formed by engaging in enjoyable activities with that particular individual. For instance, a German Shepherd that enjoys the game of fetch may develop a stronger bond with a person who plays fetch with them frequently. In a similar manner, A German Shepherd who enjoys long walks may develop a stronger bond with a person who walks them frequently. This can be strengthened by both the emotional bond formed during the activities and the physical exertion that fosters a sense of bonding. In general, shared activities can be quite helpful in a German Shepherd deciding who their favorite person is. By participating in activities that the dog enjoys, you increase the likelihood that your dog will develop a stronger bond with you by fostering happy memories and emotional connections. The bottom line is, it's important to understand that a German Shepherd can form close bonds with several family members and does not simply have one favorite person. Their relationship with different persons can vary. For instance, one person may play with them while another person may feed them, and so on. In the end, each German Shepherd is unique and will have particular preferences when it comes to building deep bonds with humans. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.